I do not want this flood to break the record of 1993 because it is bringing a lot of destruction to the people of my state. This is the residential area in front of the Missouri River, all underwater, and everybody from here has evacuated. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sakina's Travel Diary. Today I am at Wash Greenway. This is by the Missouri River, and the Missouri River is badly flooded right now. I just met a local lady and she told me that the park benches were there around the trees and they are all underwater right now. She also told me that she lived here in the 1953 flood and the 1973 and then the 1993 flood. And as compared to all the floods, 1993 was the worst flood in 500 years. And they say that such a flood happens only in 500 years. But shortly after, now in 2019, which is like 1993, 2003, 2013 and 19, which is like 26 years after this flood, it's just 2 feet away from hitting the record of the 1993 flood. So this could be the worst flood in 500 years. And this is really sad because a lot of people have been displaced. A lot of homeless people were living here and they have nowhere to go now. This is the residential area in front of the Missouri River. As you can see, all the houses and the cars and the trailers are all underwater, and everybody from here has evacuated. The lady I met told me that some people told her daughter that that was the risk that she was taking by staying in the flood-prone area. But she told me that she's been living there for 25 years and she has raised her kids there and there was never a flood. So, you never know, you know. There could be a flood for in your entire lifetime or there could not be. Maybe this time the flood that is happening right now will be the biggest flood of my lifetime. I know I'm shooting a historical video right now, but I do not want this flood to break the record of 1993 because it is bringing a lot of destruction to the people of my state. I really want this to be the second highest flood only and not break that record at all. The Missouri River is there in the background, like too far away. There are a lot of trees and the water has come until here. And there is the land where I'm standing right now, this one, which means the water crossed from there, came up to here and then went until here. That is how all these houses went underwater. So as you can see, there was a kind of a protection, there was a barrier here, but the water did cross the barrier too. I didn't realize that the flood was so bad until today. I really hope it helps the people and this flood doesn't go any worse than this and the water starts receding down, because honestly, people who have worked hard and built a house, they don't deserve their house to be broken down like